Well, hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are showing you a wine cup holder. So overall, it's very simple, basic design to hold your wine. Now, this is double-sided tape, so you would pull this, well, you're supposed to be able to pull that tab back. Tab actually broke off right away. If that does happen to you, what you can do is you take a knife, it doesn't have to be sharp, and you poke and push at the very top of the tape, and then you can pull up one corner just like that. So it's very simple if that tab does break off for you. But it's double-sided tape, so you would then stick this and mount it on a wall or wherever you want it. So wherever you want this, pretty much a cup holder, because it also can work with more than just wine, but it's designed for wine, so it would go down through here and you would grab it and slide it out. But overall, it's very nice. So make sure though, when you mount this, you're putting it somewhere that you want. So, beside your sofa, wherever you're gonna be. A lot of people put this in their bathroom, on their bathtub. A lot of people take baths and drink their wine in the bathtub. So decide where you want it, decide where you're going to put it on, but it's very simple. Just peel this off, apply a lot of pressure. So if you would be putting it on, you would peel this off, stick it, apply pressure, hold it for, 10, 15 seconds, put pressure all around it, and you're good to go. So that's what it looks like.